Over 500 media professionals gathered at BRIC Arts over 3 days for the Alliance for Community Media's national conference with the theme of Be Transformed for Good.
When we're in community media spaces, you have the people who are experiencing the issue, talking about the issue and telling their own stories.
With the national gathering being held in New York City for the first time, there were conversations on the issue of gun violence and how local media can address it, featuring panelists like mental health therapeutic supervisor Shanita Hill, co-executive director at CAVI, Ramik Williams, and BronxNet's very own creative services director, Walter Garacoa.
It gives the community a voice. It gives the community a voice to speak to what's happening directly to them and how they're impacted.
The issue is local, but if we act, if we change policy, and if we bring the community together, we can change the overall outcome against gun violence.
Another important conversation was how the media can work with local elected officials. For Ashley Kirkowitz, a media professional and council member, she sees the value in connecting both.
It ensures that folks are engaged on both sides and that decisions can be made with local input in mind.
With the conference celebrating the work of organizations like BRIC, Manhattan Neighborhood Network, Queens Public Television, Staten Island Community Television, and BronxNet, panelist and BronxNet's executive director Michael Maxnabi shares the importance of these events and panels.
There's so much collective wisdom and idea sharing. There's so many best practices that you can pick up in terms of media literacy, in terms of educating, in terms of civic engagement. We need to stay connected and help our communities stay connected.
Reporting for BronxNet, Jonathan Calixto.